Welcome to Online Accounting 211. This is Cindy, your instructor, and in this video we are going to talk about certain sections of Canvas. Before we go into the course information, I did want to point out the inbox. The inbox is a good way for you to communicate with me. So this course is Accounting 211, and the default home page will be the same thing as the modules. So this course is arranged by modules. The first is the welcome that gives you a little bit of information about the course as well as myself, as well as Wiley Plus, which is used throughout the semester. There's another video that discusses Wiley Plus at length. Then after that is this module that gives you a little bit about the college and the policies, technical help. Also, once again, the Accounting and Statistics Learning Center, which is very instrumental in helping students succeed in this course, as well as information on Canvas, academic services, as well as student services. Now this module is the Wiley Plus. This is where the entire online textbook is contained. So you can read the online textbook, and there is another video that discusses Wiley Plus at length. So the online textbook, the grade book contains the detail of your homework submission. So you can go in here and check your homework submissions and the detail. You will not be submitting your homework here. It's basically just your grades from your submitted homework. And if you experience any difficulties with Wiley Plus, please do not email me, but instead contact Wiley Plus Technical Support. The contact information is included in this link here. The next module contains the chapter handouts. So basically what these chapter handouts contain is an brief overview of each chapter. So we'll give you an idea of what to expect in the chapter, and can also be one of the tools that you will use during preparing for the exams. Let's go ahead and look at the module for Chapter 1. Each module will contain a checklist to help with make sure that you fully complete each module's requirements. In this module, you will introduce yourself for 10 points, and that due date is May 21st. Introductory videos such as this one are contained on this page here. And then there are what I call either narrated PowerPoint summary videos or Chapter 1 videos. These are the same videos. If you are able to watch the narrated PowerPoint summary, I would encourage you to do that. If you're not able to, you can go ahead and click on the videos labeled by chapter. So let's go ahead and just take a brief look at this. So basically, each of these videos contains what are the key material from that chapter. If you look at the PowerPoints from the publisher, there are normally approximately 40 to 60 slides. I have condensed that information down into usually between 12 and 18 slides. So the most key important material is covered under these chapter videos, such as this Chapter 1 video. Now, the script to the video is contained here. So this is if it's difficult for you to hear it clearly, what you can do is you can download this Word document, and it will basically give you the script of what is being said during the video. All right, let's go ahead and go back to the modules. Let's go back to the Chapter 1 module. Okay, we talked about the videos, which is the same as a narrated PowerPoint summary, the script, After you watch the videos, then it would be a good time to do your homework. So you will complete your homework here. You need to go into your homework through Canvas through this link. And your homework is discussed further in the Wiley Plus video. After you have completed your homework, and only after you've completed your homework, do I recommend you take the quiz, because each chapter quiz you will only be given one submission. And there is an additional course introductory quiz contained here just in this chapter 1 module. So then you'll see that the remainder of the chapters pretty much are set up the same way with a checklist. Occasionally there will be additional materials for your use, but you'll see the videos, the narrated PowerPoint summary, the script, once again the homework, and then the quiz. Alright, so once again, welcome to Accounting 211. My name's Cindy Gemberling, and I look forward to working with you this summer semester, and contact me with any questions or concerns you may have. Thank you.